If you'd like a little bit of a view into how Spark is managing its work internally, it exposes two separate web UIs. The master node exposes one, and the Spark driver exposes an application web UI as well. The master web UI is going to expose information about the master node and running applications and worker nodes. The application web UI is going to display information about completed jobs, tasks, executors, and so forth. Now, you may have more than one application running, of course, in a given environment, and so as you can see, the port number, which defaults to 4040 for the first application web UI, just keeps increasing by 1 as multiple applications run on that same host. You go to 4041, 4042, and so forth. Now let me underscore this point about the application web UI. This is actually the Spark driver exposing this web server. So the application that has the Spark code running on it, that's the thing that exposes this web server and gives you information, administrative information, about what is going on in that driver. Here's a quick look at what the Spark master web UI looks like, just in a screenshot as a Spark 1.4.1. Some workers are listed and a running application is listed. And here's a view of the application web UI. As you can see, this is a bit more complex. There are many tabs, and we see some stages listed here on this particular tab. We could also look at jobs and storage and executors and all those things. All that information is exposed by this UI. We're not going to dig deeply into it right now. We're really just trying to make you aware that it's there and that it exposes the state of the application to you as a developer or an administrator.